3 M3s, Corvette, X5M, de todo. And we out. I don't know where the fuck we going, but we going somewhere.
Yo, Sticks, we running up at this is my boy's crib, and then we going after that.
Ya hablo español, you know?
Ya tú sabes que vamos para Santiago.
We outside for real. Oh, these niggas is wildin'. Oh goodness. What? Where did I just come? That's so fire, that X3. I mean M3. My son got a flame tune on that shit. She'll spray like mad gas. You wanna? Oh, he got a flame tune. Oh, we active. This is about to be a lit video, bro. Grab your popcorn, grab your drinks, grab whatever you gotta grab, your snacks, cause we outside, bro. On a Monday, I never go to car meets during the week, bro, cause I gotta work early in the morning. But for you guys, bro, I'm doing it all, bro. It's like, bro, the grind don't stop, bro. Oh, I don't even know if I can see that, but these dudes is... Nah. Oh, goodness. No, we got well, yo, the flames on that thing is so fire. Oh, I didn't even see that we had is that an M4 riding with us? I didn't even peep. Oh, moving crazy. Nah. Move. Oh, this oh, look at that G82. I mean G80 M2. Oh, what the heck? Nah, yo ando con pile loco, eh. I feel like I'm going to the end of the freaking world, bro. I don't know where we going right now, but let's see what happens when we get there, bro. We really out though. Bro, is just freaking spitting flames up there. Jeez. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys can see that shit. Jesus, that thing is so loud. Nah, wildin'. Oh, I know if them plane tunes probably waste so much gas, bro. Just all them flames. I know you probably gotta change your spark plugs way faster as well. And all of that. Yo. really moving on that thing though. Oh, yo, and I have my windows up and that thing is super loud. Imagine if I put let me put that window down, see if you guys can hear it, because it's coming from that side anyway. So are we taking this exit here? Oh my god. Oh my, sheesh. Where are we going? I'm confused. Tan perdido estos tigres. Is this the spot? Like, are we pulling up to the spot now or something? I mean, I see different cars than what we saw. Oh my goodness. Now you really hear it because I put the window down and whatnot. It's a lot of cars here though, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, some heat for real. Let's see how long it takes for the cops to pull up to these places like this. Bro, might as well just go in there, no? Might as well, I don't see anywhere else. What the what is going on, bro? We out? Bruh, we just got here. How we leaving? I don't know what's going on, bro, to be honest. Nah, they on that bike out. They even got lights. Yeah, Jersey people crazy, bro. Here comes another one. Look, look. Out right now. Look at that shit. Everybody really out for real. What the yo, yeah, yo, where am I right now, bro? I swear to you, bro. Oh nah, man, freaking things thrown it back at my car right now. Nah, this is crazy. Do you guys, oh, you guys can't hear the wind, bro. That shit sounds OD. What the heck? What is that thing, bro? Like, what car is that? I think I'm too old for this, for these shenanigans. They're fun and all, but the cops be coming to them right away, unless we got to that first location, man, like late. I'm hungry, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. We out here. What's next to me making all that noise? Oh, the Hondeezy. The Hondeezy is active right now. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Cuánto loco. Cuánto loco. Is that M5? Yeah, people over here are crazy, bro. I think y'all a little too much for me, man. Y'all a little too much for me. Y'all a bunch of crazy people over here, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. Well, so we at the second spot right now. So far I saw a CSL over there. That's just kind of clinging. Got an X5M right here. 5. Oh my shit. That boy got it on bags. He said, psst. Got a G80. There's a couple cars out here, man. I'm not gonna lie, these people crazy though driving up here. You already know.
It's a CSL that I.
I think is that. I wonder if that's the one that be at the meet. That one that was at the show.
Yo, this kid with the CSL, he's a clown. You know those cops be like daddy's money niggas that be getting cars, bro. He doesn't know. Yeah, bro, I didn't break my car in that, but just wait, my RX-7 is in the shop, bro. When I get that, y'all can race me, bro. But I can't run it from a dig though. My axles, they gonna snap.
That's that Jersey shit, I swear.
It's gonna take over. It's just a meet.
Yeah, that's cool though. It's calm. No, I'm tired of them shits, bro. Bro, every time I went to a takeover, bro, my car broke, bro. Something always happens at them shits, bro, so I stopped going to them. CSO's clean though. Un chinito, I ain't got un chinito. Ah, ya el maricón tiene cuarto. He probably invest or some shit. Probably invest or stocks, something, bro. Oh yeah. That shit's clean though.
Those tail lights in person.
The what? The tail lights?
Taillights, bro. The fiber
Oh,
was
the
fake,
back
bro.
shit. I actually never seen the tail lights. Let me see. I never actually seen them on like. Oh, I never seen them on. Damn, bro. What the? Are you kidding me? Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, that shit. Well, one tail light probably like 4 bands, bro, for this shit.
I would consider it. I would think it's worth it.
That shit is different, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I wonder if that fits. It doesn't. Does that fit the normal G82 though? Is it the same size? Oh, that would be fire. If you don't got CSL money, you get the lights. So Porsche pulling up too. Yeah. E92. Oh, he got. Oh, he ready to go.
This is his car, and then he has a M2.
M2. Oh, he. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You see? Oh yeah. Forget it. Is you right here? Who's shit? This you? Oh, one of them. That shit is tough, bro. That's what's up.
Don't even say about that dumbass.
My boy got a computer. And nah, bro.
Yeah, you get mad at a diesel truck,
Bro, I saw it happen from behind. He tried going to the right, and then like for like a split second after. Bro, this dude was just at my
That's tough. That's tough.
Would you get to see it?
Yeah.
That shit's so
It
tough.
was just luck. Yeah, you see the lip? He took it to the track. Oh, they just fixed it? Yeah, because I tried racing the orange guy.
There's a whole bunch of crazy shit, bro.
What do you mean?
I only see BMW headlights. I don't fucking know.
He has a 440 Grand Coupe.
I think you're kind of scared to race.
An orange 440 Grand Coupe. I have a black down. It's time to make the
Jeez.
pot. It's time to make the pot.
Bro, that's what I was wondering, man. Huh? Yeah, man. Oh yeah? What's up, bro? Appreciate you, bro. Oh yeah? Tough. Where is this here? You got it here? Oh, the orange one?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Want to get it running, bro? Let me know.
That shit's stock, bro. Yeah. Estamos aquí, chilling, viendo carro bacano. Fast cars. Caro. Muy caro.
Donate.
Don't facts. Super whatever the shit's called, supers or whatever star shit. The super chat shit. Facts. Y el M3, the other one. El que está. ¿Ah? ¿Se fue? Yeah, his shit. Hopefully I caught that shit on camera. That shit was, and his shit too. I know they both got flame tune on. I'd be scared to put a flame tune on my shit.
I'm not gonna hold you. I ran over some pieces and I thought it was a turbo. Nah, shit. I was like, fuck. I ain't gonna lie. And at the end, I stopped. I was like,
I mean, at Roxy Rocks, I just heard my windshield go. I was like, oh god. Yeah, you be dailying with the flame tune on or nah? You be taking it off? You be taking it off? Yeah, that's what my.
put it on like shit like
Yeah, that's smart. There's another one back.
That's like, no, where we going?
Nigga said, where we going? Where we going next? He said. Nigga said. Yeah. Nah, bro.
Yeah.
Donde ahora la movie? So the cops is here. So I guess we out. Está pasado. Yo, what the... Ah. Bueno, espérate, este carro no es mío por si acaso. The boys is here, man. They got the shit that moves though, I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna go ahead and call it a night, bro. We only got to 2 locations. The other location is way too far, bro, and there's just way too many people out here. And with my luck, bro, I'm all the way in Jersey. If anything happens all the way over here, bro, I'm screwed, bro. I'm mad deep from home. So, you know, the group that I was with, they're heading home too. So, yeah, we're just gonna call it a night. Your boy does work tomorrow morning too, so yeah, man. Subscribe if you guys are new, like, and all that. Oh, nice. But like I said, subscribe, comment. all that fun stuff, man. Drop a like, of course, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.